I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel with your phone in 2020 and start making money from your first video. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps that you need to take to create a YouTube channel on your phone and start making money straight away. Most creators will tell you to be patient, create 100 videos, wait a year for your YouTube channel to grow before you even think about starting to make money on it. This is the old way of thinking. Now, with the power of your phone, you'll be able to create a YouTube channel and start making money from day zero. Stay tuned until the end of this video to find out how you can monetize your new YouTube channel. The first step is to get the YouTube algorithm going by hitting that like button. I want you to understand the big picture and exactly why we're doing this. Why do you want to create a YouTube channel with your phone and start making money online? On this channel, we teach people how to make money using leverage. The leverage that we use is online videos just like this one. You can create one video that reaches thousands of people. You do the work once and it pays off exponentially. I want you to fully wrap your head around how leverage can work for you to make a passive income online. At the end of the day, all of us want to create a system that can produce passive income while we spend time doing what we love. This is the freedom that I want you to enjoy. I want you to pursue your dreams. I want you to take hold of all the opportunities that you have in front of you. In order to do this, you need to learn how to create a YouTube channel on your phone so that you can start creating videos and sharing them online. Start building up that leverage so that it can start working for you. Using this amazing form of leverage, you can grow your influence and grow your income online. Now that you can see the big picture, let's get down to the first action step that you can take to create your YouTube channel on your phone. In order to help you step by step through the entire process, we've created a YouTube launch checklist especially for you. Head down to the description below and you can click on the link to download your free copy. This checklist is going to help you stay on track and make sure that you don't miss a step in creating and building a successful YouTube channel. Let's jump onto our phone and create our YouTube channel. Head into your YouTube app. If you don't have the app yet, you can go to the App Store or your Google Play Store and download the YouTube app onto your phone. Then you can head into the YouTube app. Then at the top right of your screen, you'll see a small circular icon, little profile picture. We're going to click on that. And if you don't have a Gmail account yet, we're going to click sign in to create a new Gmail account. And at the bottom, we're going to click add account. Now, if you have a Gmail account already, you can sign into your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account yet, you can click on the bottom left and click create account and then select for myself. Enter your first name and last name and then click continue and then click next. Then it's going to ask for your birth date and your gender. Input your information and then click next. Now you're going to have to choose a username for your Gmail. You can use whatever name you want for your Gmail account and then click next. Enter a secure password. Make sure that you write this down so that you can remember your password and then click next. Now it's going to ask to input your phone number. I would recommend inputting your phone number now. It's a lot easier to manage your account later if you have your phone number already verified for your Gmail account. So enter your mobile number and click next. Then Google is going to send you a verification code via text message. Enter your verification code and click next to verify your Gmail account. Once you've verified, Google will give you a brief summary of your Gmail account. If you need to screenshot it, you can, and click next. Agree to the privacy terms and conditions. And now you have a YouTube account created. Now we need to create the actual YouTube channel. So head back into the top right to your icon and click on My Channel. Then it's going to ask you what name you want to use for your channel. Just use your name for now and click Create Channel. And there you go. You have a YouTube channel created on your mobile phone. Now this is just the basics. I want to now walk you through a few more steps that you need to set up to make sure your YouTube channel can be successful and you can start making money from your first video. Now you need to pick your YouTube channel topic. It's really important to make sure that you have a focus for your channel. If you can have a focus, it's going to allow your subscribers to fully understand what kind of videos you're going to create for them and what kind of value you are going to deliver. It's going to help them to see whether or not they should subscribe to your YouTube channel. The reason why I want you to pick a channel topic to focus on is because I don't want you getting subscribers that aren't going to watch your videos, that aren't going to enjoy your videos. If you get a whole lot of subscribers that aren't interested in the videos that you create, YouTube is then going to see this as a negative ranking factor and start showing your video to less people because they're going to think the rest of the YouTube audience is also not going to enjoy your videos. Whereas if you create videos that are focused topic for your audience and your audience starts watching and enjoying your videos, then YouTube is going to see this as a positive ranking factor and start pushing your videos out to a bigger audience, to new audience members, and help you start getting more subscribers. So it's really important to be crystal clear on what kind of videos you create, what kind of value you deliver, so that your subscribers know whether they should subscribe or not. The best way you can show people what kind of videos you create is using your YouTube channel banner. We're going to show you how to create your YouTube channel banner later on in this video. But for now, just understand that it's a really important part of your YouTube channel when you're first starting out. It's the best way for you to explain quickly and concisely what your YouTube channel is about when new visitors land on your YouTube channel homepage. For example, our channel helps people learn how to make money online using leverage. We teach people how to create videos on YouTube that use the power of leverage to start creating a passive income online. So I know exactly who I'm creating my videos for, and in that way I can focus on specific topics that they're going to see as valuable to them. These are the kind of people that I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I create new videos every single week helping people learn how to use the power of leverage to create a passive income online. So if you're interested in learning how to make more money and use the power of leverage, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now I want you to get started right now building your influence online. So head down to the comment section and I want you to comment on what kind of topic or focus your channel focuses on. But I don't want you to stop there. I also want you to find 2 other comments there that you can interact with. Comment or reply to someone else's comment and add value. Start a discussion. Start building your influence. Now don't be spammy and don't just ask people to subscribe to your channel. Start an engaging conversation in the comment section. Ask people about their channel. Ask them what kind of videos they create. If you're creating an interesting conversation in the comment section down below, people are much more likely to click on your channel icon and head over to your channel homepage and check out what kind of videos you are creating. Make it interesting and create curiosity for people to check out your YouTube channel. Now we're going to add a profile picture to your YouTube channel from inside the YouTube app. Click on your channel icon on the top right. Then select Manage Your Account at the top of the screen. Next, we're going to select Update Photo under your Google account. Then hit the Set Profile Picture. At the bottom, select Choose from Photos. Select the photo you want to use for your profile picture from your gallery. Crop and adjust as you wish, and when you're ready, select Choose. Wait a while for your Google account to refresh and your profile picture should be updated. If your new profile picture doesn't show right away, wait 10 minutes for YouTube to refresh. And then come back, refresh your YouTube app and check your new profile picture should be showing. If you have any problems, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Next, we're going to create a YouTube channel banner on your phone and upload it to your YouTube channel. We are going to use a free tool called Canva. This is the quickest and easiest way for you to create and upload a YouTube channel banner to your channel from your phone. You can download Canva from the App Store or your Google Play Store for free. Once it's on your phone, open up the Canva app. The great thing about Canva is that you have preloaded templates for you. To access these templates, type in the search box at the top, YouTube channel banner. Canva will now show you a whole lot of templates that you can use to create your channel banner. Select one of the templates that you like the look of. Once you're inside the template, I want you to customize it to suit your channel. We're going to add some text for the heading and some text for the subheading. You want your text to explain what your channel is about and why people should subscribe to your channel. Make sure it's descriptive, enticing, and gets people excited about the content on your channel. You want to convince them to subscribe to your channel. Your channel banner is really important, so make sure it's interesting. Once you've updated the text, I want you to choose a photo that's going to fit with your channel theme. The nice thing about Canva is that they have a whole lot of free stock images that you can use, and you can search for them right inside Canva. We're going to search for an image relating to video. Choose the image that you like and then resize it to fit your channel banner. Now remember, your channel banner will appear different on mobile phones, desktop, and TV. So take this into account when choosing your image and resizing it. Once you've finished, click Done in the top left. Now we're going to download your channel banner. So click in the top right hand side on the download button. This is going to save the channel banner onto your phone. Now we need to upload this to your YouTube channel. Head into your Chrome app and go to aboutme.google.com. Then I want you to click on the three dots in the bottom right. Scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. This is going to allow you to use the desktop version of YouTube on your phone. Once you're in the desktop version, head over to youtube.com. Then click on your channel icon in the top right and select your channel home page. Once you're on your channel home page, I want you to select Customize Channel in the top right. This is going to give you the option to add a channel banner. It should be in the middle of your screen. You may need to pinch and zoom a bit on your phone to be able to select this button. Once you zoomed in enough, click on the blue Add a Channel Banner button. Next, hit the blue Select a Photo from your computer button. Choose the photo that you've just downloaded from Canva on your phone and select Upload. Once it's finished uploading, I want you to check that it looks good on your desktop version, TV version, and mobile version. If you use the Canva template, then all three of these versions should look good, and you shouldn't need to change it. If you create your own channel banner, then you may need to adjust the crop a bit. Once you're happy, hit the blue Select button. You now have an updated channel banner from your phone. If you have any problems, issues, or queries about your channel banner, let us know in the comment section down below. Now we're going to verify your YouTube account. So head into Google Chrome, and I want you to type into the URL youtube.com/verify. This is going to take you through to the verification page for your YouTube channel. They're going to ask you which country you're from, and then they're going to ask you if you want to receive a text message with the verification code, or if you want them to call you with the verification code. You can get a text message if you want. We find the call is a lot quicker and easier to get the verification code. So enter your mobile number that you're going to use to verify your YouTube account and click on the verify button. Once you click that, you will see straight away you'll get the phone call from Google to verify your account. Onto this call, I like to put on loudspeaker so I can hear them reading the code to me. They'll very simply read you your 6-digit verification code. Once you receive it, make sure you either write it down or input it straight away. So I've got two phones here. I'm going to just input it straight away into my YouTube account to verify my channel. So once you've got that 6-digit, double check. They're going to repeat it to you for a second time. Just check you've inputted it correctly and click on the blue verify button. There we go. Congratulations. We have now verified our YouTube account. This is going to give us access to custom thumbnails. I'm now going to show you how you can enable custom thumbnails on your YouTube channel within the YouTube Studio app. The final piece of the puzzle is that you must have a specific outcome for every single video. If you want to make money on your YouTube channel from day one, then find a product that solves a specific problem for your viewer and then add an affiliate link in the description down below. This may sound too simple for you, but this is exactly what you need to do to start making money on a new YouTube channel. Find a product that solves a problem for your viewer. Make sure that you believe in the product and that you've used the product before. Make sure you're not recommending a product you haven't used. This is a really important step. We don't want to promote products that we don't actually get benefit from ourselves. If you can get benefit from a product and you like using it, then it's really easy to recommend to someone else because you know it can add value to them. If you can stick to these core fundamentals, then you'll be able to start making money from your first YouTube video. If you have any more questions about affiliate marketing or how to make money on your YouTube channel, then let us know in the comment section down below and we'll create a specific video on this topic just for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about how to make money on your YouTube channel and use the power of leverage to create a passive income online, then subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.